Now for the test part, number 2. That shot over 50 feet. But if you get one, it probably shoot over 10 feet. But see, you do this. So you load it. You put that on. You twist, push, pull. Now watch this. See that? Our ceiling's 55 feet tall. See, look, there's SpongeBob right up there. Right there. Now look, see, it kind of looks like a grenade launcher, right? But except it doesn't have a trigger. This is the trigger, so you just gotta go. Here, watch this. And it hurts like crazy if you put enough weight on it. Now watch this. That's massive. See? But I just made this today. And it has a safety. This is just that regular shotgun that's only... It's a Stinger. And you guys should get it. It's really good.